Hello, good morning! Salamat at na-extend ang deadline ng quarterly percentage tax for the second quarter 2024. Kaya pwede pang magbayad until July 31, 2024 ng ating tax due. Ito pwedeng magbayad sa Maya. Piliin lamang ang bills. Select Bureau of Internal Revenue. Kailangan po tama ang pagka-encode ng tax identification number. Pag nagkamali, kailangan pong magpa-fix ng data sa mismong Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, i-enter ang 9 digits tax identification number. Branch code, 5 zeros. Amount, yung tax due nyo po sa 2551Q. Sa akin, 1,097 and 01 centavos. RDO code, 044 Taguig Pateros yung aking RDO code. Form series 2500. Form type 2551Q. Tax type PT, which stands for percentage tax. Return period June 30, 2024. Dahil yan ang last day ng second quarter 2024. Enter your email address. Then click continue. I-confirm ang payment details. Then click pay. Ganyan lang kadali magbayad online ng quarterly percentage tax. Hindi na kailangan pumunta ng bangko para magbayad ng inyong taxes. Payment successful, mag-print lang ng copy nito para may proof of payment. Just in case na magkaroon ng open case sa BIR. Pwede pala i-save ang details nito. Save to favorites, then bigyan ng pangalan. 2551Q percentage tax. Para sa susunod na pagbabayad sa next quarter, meron na kayong details. Pwedeng palitan na lang yung period covered sa September 30, 2024. Yan yung last day ng third quarter. So, added to favorites na. Okay, thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. Please click like and share my videos para marami pa po tayong matutulungan na mga taxpayers. Thank you so much. Bye!